Gates open, they're up and racing. Constatic draws for your lead. Cole Harbor. Then Arvin Dugo is running by the rail third. Ikaw ha. Tucker's Diamond Whistler. Then comes Kitty West as they race towards the last 900. Arvin Dugo now takes command by the rail. Constatic shuffle back in second, racing in third. Cole Harbor. Ikaw ha is getting closer in fourth. Then comes Tucker's Diamond, Whistler, Kitty West, and trailing the group as they turn for home at the last 900. It's still entry number 4, Arvin Dugo leading the field. Constatic running by the rail. Cole Harbor as they race at the last 450. Arvin Dugo, Cole Harbor is running by the rail. Constatic once again on the outside as they swing for home. Arvin Dugo, Cole Harbor is running by the rail. Constatic, ikaw ha, and down the stretch they come. It's still Arvin Dugo, Cole Harbor. Constatic is on the outside. It's Arvin Dugo by about 6 lengths. And finally, Arvin Dugo, Constatic, Cole Harbor, ikaw ha, Whistler. Then comes Kitty West and Tucker's Diamond.
3 out of 4.